Yeah.
Do you want to harvest rock?
Ohio. They're harvesting rice.
Wheat.
Wheat? Oh, it's wheat.
It is wheat.
Yes.
Rice.
Oh, it's rice. Yes. We're gonna go watch them harvest rice.
失礼ですけど、島部さんですか。
あ、違います。
違います。あ、そうですか。今日はどういったことで。
あ、いや、うちに友達が泊まりに来てて、
あ
長尾線の橋本なんですけど。
あ、長尾線
で、
ね。
今サイクリングで、なんかたまたま見かけて。
あ、そうかそうか。
ちょうどいい、ちょうど。
長尾線の島部さんっていう方がね、留学生さんがおられて、稲刈りを体験したいって言っておられたんで、
そうなんですか。
そうかと思って来たんですけど、
Hello. Hi, English.
Sorry, my hands are a little.
Oh, it's okay.
Little
So,
spicy, I guess. Nice to meet you.
You're from Tennessee.
Oh, you're from Tennessee. Oh, very
Yeah.
nice. I'm from Illinois.
Illinois,
Yeah,
awesome.
We're from the Chicago area, so.
We're flying into Chicago, but we go home.
Oh, really? So where are you guys in Dothrey? This is.
Visitor.
20 years ago. 20 years ago.
Oh, okay.
She visited once before 20 years ago. She's visited us several times.
Oh, okay.
Return visit.
Oh, wow. Well, I love Japan. This is my first time being in Japan, so.
It's a very cultural experience, is it not?
It's so different.
You can learn to use the bathroom and
Well, lucky.
shoes on.
Yeah, I had to figure some of that stuff out on myself. Oh my goodness, yeah, it's difficult. It's different.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm teaching. I'm the English teacher for Oya Shogaku. So.
Oh, nice.
So they asked me to come along. So. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think some of the English that they learn through this thing called iFriends is not the best, but it is English, so we use it. There's some students are learning very quickly, and it's really nice. But I've only been here for.
So what do they do? They just cut off the.
Yes, and make this one and like this dry.
My contract is for a year.
We need to dry rice like that.
Okay, where's the rice inside this? Like wheat. This is the rice.
Yes, this is
Rice.
rice. Yes.
Oh, okay. Because I always thought the rice was in the ground. So no. Ohio.
They learn English, so.
Oh, they learn English.
Yeah.
Oh, so good morning. Morning. Very good.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Very nice. Very good English.
Are you recording?
Yes. Yeah.
That's about what I know in Spanish too. Como estás? Bien.
Yeah, exactly.
You wanna try?
So is this like future farmers, like a farming program for
Yes,
children?
Yes.
Very nice.
The one in the yellow shirt over there, yellow. Yeah, if you talk to him, he'll like.
He wants to talk to you, Tim. He likes to use
The guy in the yellow shirt.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
So what do you do? You saw it all. But it's no good, right? Is this good? No. That good rice over there, right? Yeah. Is this hard work? Her?
You are crazy.
She's crazy?
Crazy.
You cra-
I'm confused.
right?
You, my crazy.
What'd you do to your thumb? Oh, yeah. a birthmark.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a birthmark. Do you have a birthmark? No? You don't know where? His is here. Yeah, his is there. Where's your birthmark? You don't have one.
No.
Yeah. Okay, I have string and I have a knife.
Knife.
Yes. Where?
Teach us. ちょっと教えてあげて。あ、はい、わかりました。あ、あった。
Oh.
He left one.
He left one. Uh huh. Oh, it's no rice in there though.
なんて言うんだよ。英語。
I'm gonna go cut. I'm gonna cut this one. Watch. I'm gonna cut this one.
Very nice.
Aha. Aha. Wow. Yeah. Ha.
How many?
I don't know. She gonna take a picture.
How many together? Too big? Bigger?
I got a big camera here.
Little boy in blue. Yep. No, but do you have like
They have what?
your just